Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. I have just received this from Nippon Paint Malaysia yesterday. Let's open it up and see what is inside. Wow, this is the new Nippon Paint Gold Paint, a water-based acrylic paint for interior and exterior with a super long-lasting gold finish. Now let us do some painting today. The sample given to me was 250 gram in pack size. However, there's also another size which is the 1 kilo. So, what are the good features about this gold color paint? It is ideal for DIY project, super lasting metallic gold finish, good weather resistance for both interior and also exterior, easy to apply by rolling, brushing and even spraying, low odor, environment friendly, and the most important, water based, easy dilution with just water. The lid is tight. Look at this. Basically, the gold paint is ready to apply. If necessary, you may dilute it with not more than 5% of water. So, what are the recommended substrate that you can paint with this gold paint? Masonry, for example, decorating walls and concrete surface. Wood, timber door and frame. Metal, for example, metal gate and fencing. Let us start by painting the masonry substrate. Of course, the recommended coating system will be first layer of sealer primer, second layer of undercoat, followed by the final layer of top coatings. You may consider using more than 2 layers of top coatings for optimum results. Of course, it is very important to do surface preparation. Surface must be dry and free of dirt, grease and other contaminants. Repair cracks, sand and smoothen the surfaces to ensure a long-lasting metallic gold finish. For wood substrate, it is recommended that you use a layer of sealer or primer followed by top coat, the gold color paint. As for demo, I've skipped the first layer of primer and sealer. It is strongly recommended to have a minimum of 2 coats and recoating time of 2 to 4 hours depending on the temperature and humidity. This is a piece of metal substrate. It is important to remove the rust and apply a layer of primer followed by a layer of undercoat and finish with top coat. Let me show you something interesting here. This is the result after you apply a layer of top coat, which is the gold paint, and without using primer and undercoat. Obviously, you can still see the base color. Now what about this side? Look at the sparkling metallic gold finish. After 5 layers of top coats. Very much impressive, isn't it? Besides using it for decorating walls, wood and metal surfaces, I'm very sure that there are plenty of creativities that you may explore using this Nippon Paint Gold Paint. If you are watching this video through Facebook FB, please give me a like and share this video to your friends and family. And if you are from YouTube, please like and share and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye!